Hello, my name's Kristy from Sewbits, and this is a little short video of what my sewing room is. You won't see me much with my face on video as I'm a little bit shy, so it's taken a lot of courage just to do this. So I'll turn you around and I'll show you what's in my sewing room. This is what I'm working on at the moment. It's just a quilt for my husband's cousin's daughter in the UK, which he's going to in August. This is my cupboard. I'll just zoom out a little bit, where I keep all my fabric, and I use comic board to hold all the fabric, and that's just some vintage boxes, drawers, and a box from my sewing cabinet in the other room. This is a cupboard this is my cupboard where I keep all my other bits and pieces. This was my daughter's room. She's moved out now, and so I keep my stuff in there, and there's fabric just on that side in that door, but I won't open the door. This is where I sit and do my embroidery at the moment, and that's looking out the window, and I'm in the west side of Australia, and that's looking out to the ocean. Here is just I've changed my room around, so I've got baskets of fabric in the boxes, and that trolley. I don't know what to do with it at the moment. It looks a bit messy, but I can't figure it out. And I've got stuff on the floor for a community quilts. This is a beautiful pillowcase embroidered with a cross stitch, and I'm going to put it in that pillow there, but I just have to cut the pillow down. This is just a sampler for practicing quilting, and I haven't finished it. It's not perfect, but I'm going to use it as a cover for the quilting table. This is another quilt I need to make and go to England. The log cabin foundation piecing. There I do my sewing with my jikki. I've just got a stand for my little laptop, and I'm just watching Kate from the Journal Nest. This is where the dogs go under there, and the cat. It's winter here, so it's a bit cold. Just my little baby Elisa iron. Oops, I better move that out of the way and turn it off. And my ironing to do for that. This is my cupboard for all my fabric and beautiful doilies, trims, and all sorts of bits and pieces in the boxes. Up there's Liberty fabric in them boxes, and this is just where I keep my trims and my other doilies that are smaller and fabric. So that's my crafty room, and I'll take you into my other room and show you what's in there. Thanks. So here we are in my other room. Because my children have grown up and moved out, I have a couple extra rooms. My husband has a big shed, and I've got 2 rooms. So that's just where I keep all my yarns. Those are stools from my mother-in-law, and I'm going to cover them with some foam, which is here, and I want to cover them, and then I can use them as footstools. That's some roving. That's a bag of scraps I don't really know what to do with at the moment, so I've just tucked them in the corner. There's some old aluminium containers, and I'm going to cover those with fabric inside. That's my mum's old Elna machine, which doesn't really work that well. This is an old Singer. It does work, but I've got to get the tension right, and my husband's turned it into an electric one, so I'm happy about that. That's just the foot down there for it. He's just taken the back part off it there and turned it into, you're able to get the electric motor with the foot. So that's 1937, I think. Some other bits that I just need to make a mat for. This one does work. This is my old Singer table. It is a treadle one, but I don't use it as a treadle machine. And this one I have sewed on. This is the same foot my husband did. He's a clever man. And he just put the electric motor on at the back. The light doesn't work, but that's fine, and it definitely works, that one. That's an old vintage chair, an old vintage cupboard, and it's got drawers in. I can't open it at the moment, and you pull them out, and I've kept my grandmother's doilies in there at the moment. That's an old pram that I was in when I was a baby. I used to get pushed around by my mum's sister, who's passed when she was 17, so that's quite a long time ago. There's my spinning wheel, which I have yet to spin on. I haven't done it for a long time. That quilt at the back there is from Tipping on Instagram from America, so I was happy to get a double wedding ring. That's a crocheted blanket I picked up for $10. That's Nature's Walk, which I made from Cherry Heart, and that's obviously the Niddy Noddy. Oh, you've come to visit. And I have dogs as well. That's the Niddy Noddy. This is a thing of puzzles. This is from Kate from the Last Homely House, a puzzle to do. And these boxes down here are vintage boxes to cover one day, and I got them quite cheap. And these are my pals in my sewing room, and I have another pal, but he's not here at the moment, and it's just started to rain outside. So I hope you like my little short video. Sorry I haven't been on YouTube at the moment. I just got trying to catch up with other things. I've got to do embroidery for my husband to take to England in August, but I do have a plan. I just got to get on here and do it. Someone likes to have a scratch on the carpet. All right, so thank you very much for watching my video, and I'm sorry I can't turn this around because I'm not sure how to, but thank you very much. Bye bye.